slice and they dice, sprinting, dunking, and aiming to please. Touchdown, home run, bringing fans to their feet. They're known as scorers, passers, rebounders too. They are so great, their names are on their shoes. When they step in the arena, the fans go crazy. Showtime, Hollywood, the games are truly amazing. They play the games they love and do great things. On a quest to be a champion, it's all about the ring. For the love of life, early detection is the best thing. Knowing your PSA score is better than a championship ring. Living this life, excitement guaranteed. Ask your doctor for your PSA score and stay in the game of life. Winning the war against prostate cancer.